U.S. Coast Guard Southeast and partner agencies on Friday rescued 10 people and recovered 2 bodies after 2 boats collided off Key Biscayne near Miami. Coast Guard Station Miami Beach small boat and helicopter crews rescued 10 people and recovered 1 body from the water. Miami-Dade Fire Rescue recovered a 2nd body from the water. On behalf of the Coast Guard and our partner agencies, we'd like to offer our sincerest condolences to the families and friends who lost their loved ones, Coast Guard Grad Sector Miami Lieutenant Commander Benjamin Tuxton said in a Saturday statement. The Coast Guard and our local partner agencies quickly responded and exhaustively worked together on this search and rescue case. An individual involved in the collision contacted the Coast Guard around 10:30 p.m. to report 12 people in the water about 1 mile west of Key Biscayne. One rescue boat assisted 2 critically injured survivors, and Miami-Dade Fire Rescue transported 1 to the Jackson Memorial Medical Center for medical care. Station Miami Beach small boat crews transferred the remaining survivors to HCA Florida Mercy Hospital, according to the Coast Guard. MyFWC Florida Fish and Wildlife is investigating the incident.